Hello everyone, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio and welcome how to create a vector portrait in Adobe Illustrator on iPad class. In this class, we will learn how to create this beautiful vector profile from scratch in Adobe Illustrator on iPad. We will learn how to use the pen tool, colors, different gradients, how we can use different shadows and different highlights to build up volume. This class is for our beginners, but if you are an advanced user, I know you will find something very helpful for you as well. So grab a cup of coffee or tea or lemonade and join me. See you just in a second. Before we will start using the pen tool in our artwork, I would like to show to you a few examples how you can use this beautiful pen tool. To do so, I have created a new document just for to show to you how you can use the pen tool. And now what I will do, I will tap on the pen tool to highlight it. After that, I will tap anywhere in my document to create a first anchor point, just like this blue dot. It's first anchor point. Now I will tap anywhere else in my document, just like that, and without releasing my Apple Pencil, I will drag my Apple Pencil outside, just like that. And after that, I will release my Apple Pencil. Now you can see that I have two anchor points, 1 and 2, and my second anchor point, which is highlighted, has 2 points on the side. I can tap at any point, left or right. Let's start with right, just like that. And using this point, I can modify my shape. I can tap on left point and I can modify my point, my shape as well. But what if I would like to modify only one side? I don't want to modify second part of anchor point. How I can do this? To do so, I will tap and hold modifier, just like that. And I will tap on a right point and I can modify it without affecting left modifier, just like that, a left point. Now I will tap on left point and I can modify left side without affecting the right side. What if I would like to modify both sides in the same way? To do so, I will move my finger to outside on the second part of modifier, just like that. And now I will tap on my right point and I will be able to modify both sides, just like this. And I'm releasing my hand. I'm not holding modifier anymore. Now I will tap anywhere else to create third point, anchor point, and I will close my shape. After I closed my shape, this is not shape I was looking for. Can I modify it? Yes, I can. I can modify my closed shape without moving to any other tool. To do so, I will tap on any point and I can modify it in a way I like. You notice, if I will zoom in, that I lost a left side of a left point. How I can bring this point back? Now I have kind of angle anchor point. I can do it if I will tap on path icon to expand path panel, and here I will tap on convert to curve, just like that. And look at this. Now I have back my curve anchor, just like that. If I would like to convert any anchor to corner. I will highlight this anchor. I will expand a pass panel, and I will ask Illustrator to convert to corner, just like that. But for now, I will convert this point to a curve, just like that. Now, what if I would like to add extra anchor point to my already closed shape? Can I do this? Of course I can. To do so, I will tap anywhere else along my closed path to create a new curve, a new anchor point, and after that I can modify this point in a way I like, just like that. Can I delete anchor point? Yes, I can. I will highlight a point I want to delete. I will expand pass a panel, and here guys we have absolutely amazing feature, smart delete. I will tap on it, and just like that Illustrator will delete highlighted anchor point without opening my shape. How awesome is it? I'm absolutely in love with this. Look at this. Now what I will do, I will delete the shape to show to you something else. I will switch to selection tool, and Illustrator will select this shape for me. After Illustrator selected the shape or any asset, Illustrator will display for you extra features you can use. I will tap on trash icon, and just like that Illustrator will delete highlighted selected shape for me. Now I will tap on the pen tool again, and now I will show to you how you can create straight line between two anchor points. To do so, I will tap anywhere in my document to create a new anchor point, just like that. I will tap anywhere else to create a second anchor point, third, and I will close my shape. Look at this, Illustrator created in straight line between all points. Now I will highlight this right bottom anchor point, and I will convert this anchor point to curve, just like that. Now I will show you how you can convert curve to a corner without expanding a pass panel. Why? Because sometimes it's faster. To do so, simply double click, I messed up, double click, and just like that. If it's not working, sometimes it's sticky, just go to pass panel, but it's always work if you double tap. See, double tap to convert to a curve, and double tap to convert to corner. Let's do it again. Let's zoom in our document. Double tap to convert to curve, and double tap to convert to corner, just like that. Now let's talk about how we can use our colors. We can specify colors right away, right after we highlighted our pen tool. We can specify fill color and stroke color. But if you closed your shape and change your mind, we very often need to change a color of something even after we finished our project. So to change color in a closed shape or any other asset, simply tap on this color icon, and just like that Illustrator will display for you color wheel. Here you can tap on any color, just like that, and Illustrator will use this color to fill your shape with this color. You can modify your color, you can create your own color, and if you like this color, if you know you will use this color all the time, or you just like this color, simply add this color to your swatches, just like that. Tap on this plus icon in swatches panel. let's create this beautiful pink color, just like that. And we will add this pink color to our swatches. To do so, I will tap on this plus icon and just like that. You can switch between grid view and list view in swatches panel. Also, if you don't want to guess or any colors, if you want to use ready-to-go colors, you will need to tap on color book icon just like that. And here, guys, we have all ready-to-go colors created for us for Illustrator team. Just look at this, tap on any color and you are ready to go. If you know that you will use this color, you like this color, you know that you will use this color, again tap on plus icon in swatches panel, and just like that you will add this color to your swatches. Also, you can use colors you saved in your Creative Cloud libraries. Simply tap on libraries, and you can specify any library with your colors, and just like that you will be able to use any colors saved in your Creative Cloud library in your Illustrator project, just like this. So guys, this is all about how we can use the beautiful pen tool and colors. Before that, we talk about how we can use a fill color, but how about a stroke color? It's same. Tap on a stroke icon and Illustrator will display a color wheel for you. Tap on any color you want to use in your stroke, just like that. If you would like to modify stroke, simply expand properties panel, and here you can increase size of your stroke, you can change type of your stroke, you can do whatever you like. So guys, now we are ready to start working on our project, and during our project I will show you how you can use gradients in your artwork. Stay with me. Let's start working on our artwork.